Guys, what's poppin'? And today we are gonna be doing right away, happy belated Easter. But today we are going to be doing an Easter egg opening because I didn't open the Easter eggs yet. And also I have 2 Pokemon cards and a few bucks, I believe. I'm not sure. Okay, so there's 2 bags. This one and this one. So since this one's smaller, we're gonna start with this one. But yeah. Okay, so let's pick our first egg. Not looking. Oh, okay. So we got this candy bracelet. And it was in a light blue egg. Okay, so let's put that over there. The eggs are really hard to get together. Oh, this one's a little bit open already. But we got 2 lifesavers. Okay, and ooh, we got this cute little bunny. So yeah, really cute. So all the eggs are going on this side, and all the toys and candy and money or whatever I get is going on that side. Okay, so we got another one. We got another candy bracelet. Ooh, this one feels really heavy. Oh wow, so $5 and $1, which is $6. Dang. Okay, we're gonna leave this money in here. So we're just gonna put it on that side. And then the third to last egg, which has 5. Oh, it has $6 in it, so now I have $12. Yay! We're gonna keep this money in here too. Okay, so we got this egg, and we got Scooby-Doo sour straws. They're blue raspberry. Okay, this one. Oh, okay, well, we'll just keep that in there. And we got a little carrot patch. You take this out, and then yeah. Okay, so the last egg. Oh, wait, was that? Oh yeah, that was the last egg. So on to the next one. Okay, so we actually have 2 bags in this one, so we're just gonna get this one first, and then we're gonna do the eggs. So I'm gonna cover my name. So we got these little candies, little chicken and rabbits, and we got a little sucker. So after the whole thing, we're just gonna put this away. But we got Airheads and a red raspberry chewy candy. And then we got something in an egg. Oh wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So we got a watermelon chewy candy, a Tootsie Roll eggs, a regular candy egg, and 2 more Tootsie Roll eggs. So, and then we got, ooh, some Sixlets, some Smarties, and a Laffy Taffy lemon and raspberry. And then we got another red raspberry chewy candy, 3 lifesavers, and then 4 chocolate eggs, and then the rest of the bag is just chocolate. Okay, so now we're on to the eggs. Ooh, what is this? Oh yeah, it's chocolates. They're Easter egg ones though, so yeah. Okay, so now we have a green egg, and it has a green crayon. Okay, so we're just gonna keep the green crayons right there. There we go. Okay, and then we have this light, oh my god, this light blue egg. Oh, and then it has another little Easter bunny. Okay, so I put all the toy stuff that you can do over here. Okay, so now we have this one. And it has another carrot in it. So we're just going to put it right there. Okay, so this one has, it has a purple bunny chocolate in it. So put it over there with all the other candy. Okay, so we have, another bunny Easter. The Easter bunny. Okay, so we got a light green one. A light green egg. Ooh, and we got more sour straws. Sour watermelon. That's cool. I'm actually going to try them in a different video. Like ASMR kind of stuff. But yeah. So we got a light blue egg. Or like a regular blue egg. And we got a yellow outside and a purple bunny. Chocolate, actually. But anyways. Getting to the next eggs. Okay, so we have more sour straws, and this is sour green apple, and we got an orange egg, and we got an orange egg again, and more carrots. Literally have 3 carrots now. Oh gosh. Pink egg, sour watermelon, sour straws, the red kind. So they're both, so we got a bunny, and a pink egg, and a purple egg, and a bunny. Oh my gosh, what is with all these bunnies? So we have a few more eggs, so we're just going to keep doing 2 at a time. Oh, okay, we got another candy bracelet, and a pink egg, a golden egg, and a yellow, crayon. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is the last egg, and then we have 2 Pokemon. So we got a light green-ish egg, if I can get it closed. And then we got another bunny. And we have the 2 Pokemon packs. So we have XY Roaring Skies, and the new Sword and Shield. I really want to get the, oh wait, no, we're just going to start with the XY Roaring Skies. Okay, so I really want to get, like, a GX or something, but, yeah, I don't know. Oh, gosh. So this means that we're going to get a rare. Here's the code, if you need it. 1, 2, 3, in front, we got an Ultra Ball, Togetic, Wally, Voltorb, Dunsparce, Spearow, Binacle, Nincada, Shiny Hawlucha, and Articuno. So those are our 2 pretty good cards. And we got 2 trainers. Okay, now we're on to the Sword and Shield. I really want to get this Snorlax because, like, I actually personally love Snorlax. So, okay, so there we go. But yeah, other than that, that's like really all the cards that I want to get. So we're just getting regular cards, and here is your thing. 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got Big Charm, Thwackey, Pokegear 3.0, Ponyard, Scorbunny, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett, Gavalooncha, Ninetales, and a Water Energy card. So, yeah, these are all the cards we got. But, other than that, hope you had a good time. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, and please like all my videos, because I only have like 4 or 5, I don't know, including this one, which is 5. Bye, guys. But other than that, here's all the stuff. And I'm going to put all the candy and all this stuff in the bags. Bye, guys.